Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for November 2023. Grabe, no? Bilis. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus para sa iba pang mensahe. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin niyo lang ang reading na to bilang gabay. And also, please check out my Shopee shop. Available yung mga protection and prosperity bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay, Aries, let's see. What's up? Anong parating sa inyo ngayong November 2023? For Aries. Let's see. Okay. So, Aries, your energy is the Seven of Wands. Parang meron kayong ipagtatanggol or you're going to set boundaries. You're going to protect yourself. You're going to protect your energies. Okay? Some of you, maaring kailangan nyo tong gawin kahit mag-isa lang kayo. Okay? Some of you, ang challenge sa inyo is maaring yung paglabas-labas or yung magkakaroon ka ng time to enjoy life, no? Pwede kasing pagdating ng November, you will try to avoid people na hindi ka na natutuwa sa kanila, pwedeng ganun, no? Parang you feel like you need to conserve your energy. Oo. And then you have the opportunity here to expand. You have the opportunity na mas mag-improve pa, no? With the Empress card here. And as a blessing, there is another path na iti-take mo, no? Meron kang bagong landas na tatahakin ngayong November na kung saan pwedeng yung iba sa inyo nahirapan kayong piliin kung aling landas yon, but I think you're going to have clarity, okay? So we're going to, speaking of clarity, ika-clarify natin yan. What is the Seven of Wands? Three of Swords. Ooh. Some of you merong disappointment sa isang tao or this can be disappointment sa buhay, no? Na iiwasan mo ng mag-deal sa mga ganong klaseng sitwasyon or tao, no? Maaring merong heartache, heartbreak for some of you. Pwede ring merong magta-try na bumalik sa'yo, someone na sinaktan ka in the past, but you're protecting yourself. Na tipong sinasabi mo sa sarili mo na no, hindi ka na mafo-fall ulit doon sa same scenario na yan, no? So, let's see your challenge. Ano tong Nine of Cups as a challenge? Oh, the Chariot. Oh, yun na nga. Maaring hindi kayo masyadong maglalabas talaga ngayong November. You will try to stay at home or, alam mo yun, hindi ka masyadong magsusocialize. Oo. Maaring meron ka mga taong iiwasan. Your opportunity, the Empress. You have the Queen of Swords. I think you will choose the people na gusto mong makasama, gusto mong makasalamuha. Very limited lang yung mga taong gusto mong makasama ngayong November. For you, gusto mo yung mga may sense kausap. Gusto mo yung meron ka natututunan. And some of you might be finally cutting off a person from your life, no? Na hindi na nakakatulong sa iyong pag-unlad. And yung iba, magpo-focus talaga kayo sa inyong self-love, self-care. Okay. And then, the Two of Wands naman ay may Ace of Wands. So, this is a blessing for you, like a new opportunity. This can be a travel opportunity for you. Pwedeng unexpected to. And finally, no, kung meron kayong pagpipilian by November, finally, meron ka ng decision dun. A lot of exciting things. Yung iba sa inyo may pag-aaralan or meron kayong ipupursue na inyong creative talents or skills that you know na mas magiging ano ka, productive and creative. Kasi nga, you have the opportunity to improve yourself and also to become more, kumbaga productive, ganun. Marami kang pwedeng gawin or magagawa by November. So, when it comes to your money, ayan o, Ten of Pentacles. So, definitely, there's abundance in your finances. Maaring ang focus mo talaga is to make money. Oo, meron kang maaring may mga savings ka na pwedeng meron ka paglalaanan ng savings na yun to have your own business, no? To have your own sarili mong kabuhayan na kung saan mas lalo mo pa siyang palalaguin. And when it comes to your career, pwedeng meron kang babalikan na dating trabaho or dati mong source of income, pinagkakakitaan. And ngayong November, nakakakita ka ng opportunity dyan para mas mag-grow. Yan. Some of you naman, kung meron na kayong anak, and kung yung anak nyo is capable na of helping you sa mga endeavors ninyo or projects ninyo, merong tulong from your children, no? And then for your loved ones, love life, ayan. You have the 5 of Cups. Meron talagang disappointment sa love. Ito yung tipong pwedeng hindi ka pa nakaka-move on sa relationship na to or connection na to, but sinasarili mo siya, no? And you're trying your best na protectionan yung energy mo. What is the 10 of Pentacles? You have the 7 of Swords. Be careful in dealing with your finances ngayong November kasi someone might steal something from you. Pwedeng pera, pwedeng ideas, or someone na deceptive sa circle mo or sa mga pagkakatiwalaan mo. Merong deceptive dyan merong posibleng manloko sa'yo, mang-scam sa'yo. So, be very careful sa paglalaanan mo ng pera. What is the 6 of Cups? You have the Ace of Cups. Sa career ninyo, no? So, yung iba sa inyo, Aries, meron kayong source of happiness sa trabaho sa career ninyo. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring ito yung blessing na nagsisimula, new career opportunities, new income opportunities, na yung iba, dati nyong sinubukan pero hindi naging successful sa inyo. And this time around, mas magiging successful na siya, mas may potential na siya na umunlad at lumago. Kasi parang mas aalagaan mo siya ngayon. What is the 5 of Cups? You have the Queen of Cups. Yes, this is about rising, no? Kumbaga, kaya mong alagaan yung sarili mo, kaya mong proteksyonan rin yung sarili mo. So, regardless kung ano man tong disappointment sa relationship, pwede kasing romantic connection to or someone na malapit sa'yo. Itong disappointment na to, I feel like you're going to give more compassion and love para sa sarili mo Oo. So, let's get some other cards for you. For Aries, ngayong November 2023, for Aries. Inspiration. Ayun na nga. Source of inspiration. This is your blessing. Oo, meron kang bagong source of inspiration na kung saan magiging excited ka na gawin yung mga bagay-bagay. Pwedeng sa trabaho to, no? Oo, for some of you. And also romance. So, isa rin to sa bibigyan nyo ng time, energy, pagdating ng November, related sa romantic connection. So, for some of you, ayun nga, pwedeng may babalik, pero you will try to parang set boundaries with that person Make peace, ayan. So, you want to have a very peaceful life. Mas pipiliin mo na maging tahimik yung buhay mo, no? Less friends or less people around you para mas makapag-focus ka doon sa iyong mga goals. Yes, for the goals ka talaga. And then, let's see your final message. Oh. Babasahin ko sana okay. Ay, malabo na talaga yung mata ko. So, endings are inevitable. See? So, some of you, maaring meron kayong ila-let go na connection, relationship, that you feel na kailangan ng i-let go, i-end, no? To start something new. So, let's see, ano pa ang spirit messages sa inyo ng mga bird messages for Aries. Oh my God, let go na naman, Aries. Let go of others' thoughts and opinions. It is time to embrace who you really are. Yes. Oo. Kasi minsan, 'di ba, iniisip natin lagi yung sinasabi ng ibang tao sa atin, yung opinion sa atin, na hindi na tayo nagiging totoo sa ating mga sarili. So, for some of you, you will not care. Wala na kayong pakialam kung ano ang iniisip ng ibang tao sa inyo. Ang importante is kung ano yung iniisip mo para sa sarili mo. The magical, unique qualities of your untapped potential are unfolding now. May magical, unique quality. So, I think ito yung nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina na i-explore nyo yung inyong creative talents and skills na hindi nyo pa nadidiscover. So, by November, meron kang madidiscover about yourself na mga potentials mo pa para mas mag-grow ka. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aries. See you again.